Hey, what's up guys? It's James here. I'm playing episode 2 and I accidentally started from the home screen instead of at the real home screen. So, we just get there real fast. Career, season, now you can see all my season modes. So these two aren't really season modes, and these two aren't really season modes. This is mine that I play with you guys, and I have Duck season, which I just played. And I also have a fantasy draft. But I'm going to do some record, because I'm recording. So, we are playing the New York Islanders again. Chargers still in? Wait one sec. And they're 0-1-0. Duh. Because we beat them 10-3 last time. And I just figured out he has a 30-game win streak. So far, like Rocks 99, that's the first I've watched. So, scratch that 19 and put 30 up there. Seriously. Oh my gosh. And I'm on Pro, he's on Superstar difficulty. Okay, Cam Ward. There we go. Cammy. Ooh. Cam Ward. So, loading. 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 Turn the volume up, sorry. There we go. Oh, jeez. Cammy. Up to Eric Stahl. Stahl's taking it. Oh, offside. Stupid computer! They said they turned down the computer offsides in NHL 15. Okay, I think this is Jordan Stahl. Back to Ellis. To Skinner. Oh, it's offsides. Oh, it's still Eric Stahl. Eric Stahl dekes around. Dekes him. Slap shot! Oh, and there's a penalty coming up on us. We have a power play. Ow, I just hit my thing. Hit my hand. Yeah, we have more time on the hook. Oh, wait, no! Pause. I need to bring it down. Don't touch that! Bring it down the last goal. Let's see if it goes. Yeah. Okay. They're on that. I thought we had to pull our goalie manually. They still haven't touched the puck. Even if we don't score, we have so much power play time. We have like 6 minutes of power play now. Okay, we're on the power play. Hope we score. I'm gonna dump it down. Cam Ward. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Cam Ward. Did you guys see that? Nothing on the scoreboard has changed. Still a pair of zeros. Taken up the wing by Semin. Hopefully you did. I'm going to pause the game. See if the camera angle's still good. Move the camera angle around. Okay, I think that's hopefully still going to be good. And they dump that thing down again. Wait, where are we? We're in New York. Most of the time I do. Oh, what? Oh, what? What? What was that? Okay, whatever. I don't even care about fights. It's just a waste of time. Eric Stahl. Back to Z. Come on, back to Z. Back to Z. Nice. To Simon. Slap shot scores! Voice crack. Kind of voice crack. Power play. Eric Stahl to Skinner. Skinner's. Oh, he's skating this up himself. Oh. Oh, saved by Johnson. Ram. Nash, I think this is. I think this is Nash. And he loses the face-off. Yep, it's Nash. Oh, geez, come on, skate. To Derby. Slap. Oh! Oh no, I'm not fighting. That's gonna be a 4-on-3. Roughing and goaltending.
And it's going to take a while to sort it out. When guys in black and white stripes are talking amongst themselves, you realize they are pooling their resources.
Oh no, just a power play. So we just have a power play. Cam Ward has it. Up to Jordan Stahl. Oh, they have a power play. There's goaltender interference. Oh yeah. I so didn't do that. Come on. No! How did that go? Oh, Cammy. What is wrong with you? This wasn't the Tavares thing like last time. I clearly told him to save Tavares' shots. And the first goal was by Tavares. Woo! Deeks. Kim Ward, whoop. Okay, it's already period gone. There we go.
And the first frame has been completed here. Carolina's got the narrowest lead you can have. The shots on goal are those that are goals, plus the ones that would have been had they not been stopped by the goaltender. And here's our tally. 4 for Carolina, a piddling 1 for the New York Islanders.
Oh my God. Their one shot was a goal, Cam. What is wrong with you? Why is Eric still playing D? Oh, yes. Oh, I should have passed that. What am I doing? I'm just gonna take that. Oh yeah.
Pressure is intense. Who can get it out of there?
No, damn it. No! Oh my God, Cam Ward, what is wrong with you? 5-hole, baby. Woo! Ooh, baby, come on, yeah. Woo! Alexander Simmons.
What a slap shot. Oh, Enzo, it looks like he was expecting something else. Not really set, not in the butterfly. Almost like he's halfway between positions.
Yay! They're 1 for 1 and 1 shot on net. And 1 shot, 3 shots in total. Oh, no one in front! Oh, what was that? Jordan, stop. Takes a slapper. Holy. Yeah. It's an awesome play. He certainly did. Oh, Jordan Stahl and Eric Stahl, same line. 11 and 12, 11 and 12. Come on, come on.
The Hurricanes are back even.
Oh, come on, guys. You is the brothers. You should have good stuff.
Takes it up that side.
Really?
For Hammond. A shot. Not a problem there.
Tim Ward's not doing too well.
Corner. Using the point. He's got it. Under siege needs to be cleared out.
Oh,
Headed right
come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go.
It's off his
Oh, oh.
another save.
Oh, what was that?
That one wasn't. Zuhicky. Turn from one teammate to another.
Oh, it's already set in the second period, 3-1.
Got that one ahead.
Pretty good.
Wrist shot. Got the iron with the shot.
God, Ward. Oh my God, Cam Ward. That was like the closest thing in the world.
Thirds of the way through this one.
This just looks like it's going to be a short video.
Through those two periods. 14 for Carolina.
Wow.
Minute 3 for the Islanders.
3. And they have 1 goal out of 3.
Boards.
You have 3
Game shift from
out of 12. I think he said.
It's a 3-on-2 as they move in. Cruises to the slot.
Come on, get that, get that, get that.
The Islanders will start from their own end. Gains the zone. Shoots one. Routine that time.
Thank you. Actually do remarkable. Oh my God, I just went over like the bottom.
Excellent pad save on a great shot. Under 4 minutes have passed. Third period. It's a 3.
Ugh, I'm so tired. It's like only 6 though.
Carries it up the wing.
Not 6 in the morning, 6 at night.
Dump to the corner. Outlet it to Toulouse. No
Toulouse.
shadow of the boards here. Oh, and here's the score.
Woo! Hey! Yeah! We scored! It's 4-1, boys. Let's do work.
Toulouse gets in a high slot and he rips home a slapper. Johnson
Let's see what's place winners after this games. We have a chance of winning first.
another face-off win.
Or probably last. If we win this, how can we win?
Drives to the net. Score!
I thought that was goaltender interference. That kind of seemed like goaltender interfere. Boo! So many boos from the crowd. That's just awesome. I love it. I love it.
Hurricanes control at center ice.
Oh, baby. Best game. 6-1.
This puck in from the high slot.
Are we going to get the same score as last time? 7-1? I mean, is it 10-1, I think? Still have a chance. Oh.
He's tripped and there'll be a penalty. Carolina's been assessed a minor penalty. 2 minutes.
Or 1 for 2 and 1 shot. Still had 0 shots on that second one.
Let's see if that applies to this particular power play. And that one goes wide too.
Jordan Shaw. Let's go, Jays. Let's go, JS.
A 2-on-2 moving on. Accidentally blocked.
Let's go.
Moves it to
Uh-uh.
center ice. Enormous collision.
Oh, stop.
He's in on
Ah, poke checked. What I just said. Stupid announcer. Oh, no.
side play.
Oh, dang. Well, I guess we're not going to get the same score as last time. So they're going to do a little bit better. We probably are going to do a little bit worse.
Carolina's got that neutral zone faceoff.
Oh.
Lifted back in. Carolina's recoiling here to Jordan Stahl. Shooting. Save. The Islanders shift from defense to offense. Rifle back in. Gathered in by Skilling. Fires. Nice work with the pack. Ranks one. He got that one too. Edge to the front. Big hit. Possession gone. He gets through. Shot booted aside.
So many moves. So many moves. Just can't do them all before you get totally demolished.
We are in the
Okay, who was that to?
and at least
Oh, tried to check him away.
Eric Staal's just like his team, winning everything. And drives on through center.
Woo!
Played by Kuhlman. Gets in. What'll he do? What a shot! It's off the post. And that one's routine. To Hamonic. Gets that pass after he himself had passed. Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man.
So I see that this thing hasn't gotten any views. Like, seriously.
He got in. No!
How does no one watch that? That amazing stuff. And no one's going to Lego Rocks 99 channels, I bet.
From the point. Taken right up the middle. Sticked away.
Woo! We might be eating first. Let's go check. 'Cause this video is actually kind of short.
Possession time.
So, first, always 3 stars. Duh. Alexander Simmons with 2 goals and 1 assist. Eric Stahl with 1 goal and 2 assists. Andre Sirka with 1 goal and 1 assist. Woo! Okay, let's go check it out. Move the camera angle a little bit. Seeing if it's still a good camera angle. Okay. See this. No, this way. Okay. Jonathan Bernier, Fleury, da-da-da. North Carolina, right? Yeah, we're not on this for some reason. Points and wins. So points, Eric Stahl's up there. Jordan Stahl's in 3rd. Henske's in 6th. And Sakiria's in 7th. So they're tied. They're tied for 5th with Tavares, too. So wins, Cam Ward, the only person in the league, I guess. Goals and assists. Eric Stahl and Jordan Stahl, both with 3 for goals. Also, Tlusty and Simon, both with 2. Wait, let me simulate up to this gate, and then we'll do it all the way over. We'll do it over again. Okay. Okay. So, Victor Fast. Our goalies, jeez. We only have like 5. I thought it was 1 to 10. It was 3 to 10. Okay. Oh, points and wins. Robert Luongo, no! Where am I? Oh, Cam Ward is tied for 2nd with so many other people. Why? Why? Eric Stahl's still in 1st. Tied with 1st with Martin Gabriel. I think that's his name. Jordan Stahl's now tied for 2nd with Kyle Obsco and Mark Curl, whatever. Goals and assists. No! He's more goals than Eric Stahl and Jordan Stahl. Tied with Andrew Lynn. No! Assist Jason Spezza. Dang it! Just got so down ever since. No! We're in 2nd! No! No! Oh, Buffalo's in last with 1 point. Oh my gosh, last in league. Washington, New York Islanders, New York are supposed to 0 points. Well, where's Boston? Washington's in 4th, not doing too well. Oh, 4 points. Here they would be in like 4th. In a wild card spot. Actually, in a wild card spot now. Lala. Okay. I don't really care about that. Let's see a summary. Ooh. New York Rangers. Hasn't started. None of these have started. Why? AHL team assignments, NHL team call-up, waiver claims, player injuries. Check out this. Hopefully no one from our team is injured. Free agent. Okay, really? We don't care about this stuff. Okay, I guess that'll do it for this episode. Turn the light on. Say goodbye. Hope you enjoyed NHL 15 Season Mode Central. Please like, subscribe, and go check out Lego Rocks Gaming 99. So, I'll do it. See this for just a sec. So, Drew Stafford, top points, 1 goal, 3 goals. So, I will do it. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good night, or morning, or afternoon. I don't know why I just said that, but goodbye.